Welcome to World Traveler Cooking, the show where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. You'll have to pardon the background noise, after all, there is still construction going on behind. So, enjoy. Now, you've heard of baked brie, but did you know that the French love baked Camembert? So, we're going to make some of that today. Our ingredients are very simple. For 1 round of Camembert, we'll use a nice sized square of parchment paper, enough that we could actually cover it, but we won't be covering it. We'll use maybe a tablespoon of honey, a bit less, a sprig of thyme, and some olive oil. Now, yeah, this will be very simple. I'm preheating the oven to 180 Celsius. That's about, I want to say 350 Fahrenheit. And while we preheat it, we'll get our cheese ready, put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and it's going to be good to go. So let's get started. So, first, we're just going to cut the top of the rind in a crisscross pattern. You can make it a little more ornate if you want, but we're just going to do that. And then we're going to smooth, maybe just pour a little bit of honey, maybe, teaspoon to a tablespoon or whatever. We don't want a massive amount of honey. We'll spread it on. Like this. Interesting glare on the honey there. Anyway, I'm going to place a sprig of thyme on top. And then I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil. So here's the olive oil. Just a little bit. And now we'll bake this for 15 minutes so that it browns a bit. And here it is out of the oven. I'm going to garnish it with just a little more thyme, and then just set this on a plate. I'm going to let it sit I'm going to set it on the plate, parchment and all, and I will let it sit for about 5 minutes before I taste it, because otherwise I'm afraid it's going to be like liquid lava. So for garnishment, I'm just going to set a few of these on top like that, I think. And then we'll put it on a plate. And now for the taste test. Now, first thing I notice is that the honey is sort of run down and caramelized. And this cheese just seems super creamy. So I'm excited for this. Move the fresh thyme sprigs off to the side. Maybe I'll eat a little of that with the cheese. There's a reason why this is a classic. It is just absolutely freaking delicious. Rich, flavorful. It's very different from the fried Camembert. I'm actually impressed by the versatility of Camembert in this regard. Now, if you like this content, you'd like to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.